Everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to update you a sad incident from Pennsylvania. 3 dead and 4 missing after explosion at chocolate factory in Pennsylvania. So before moving to the news, it is my request to subscribe my channel. Subscribe now, like this video and share with friends. Let us move to the sad story and have a review on it. 3 people are dead, 4 are missing and several others are injured after an explosion at chocolate factory wide in West Reading, Pennsylvania. Police and CCA officials said a third dead body have been pulled from the rubble at the site of the factory. Officials said of West briefing Saturday. One person was found alive overnight in the rubble, officials said earlier. Crew continued search for survivor, but the amount of time since incident means the chance of finding survivors is decreasing repeatedly, said West Reading Fire Chief Chad Meyer. Tower Health said earlier its hospital is West Reading received 10 patients from the explosion, and of these 2 were admitted and are in the good and fair condition, and 6 have been discharged. 2 others were transferred to other hospital, it said. This is the end of review. Soon we will come back with more details. Stay tuned, subscribe my channel, like this video and share with friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.